Time for your daily dose of manufacturing goods. I'm Jocelyn.
And I'm Hannah.
So Hannah, what's so cool about manufacturing?
What a brilliant question. All I know is that manufacturing is the production of merchandise with machining, tool, innovations, and labor.
Well, manufacturing sounds like the best career choice to me.
Agreed. Why don't we ask Gabe, who's there at an evolving business company called LBI?
Thanks for the introduction, Hannah. Today we are here at LBI, a small manufacturing company located in Groton, Connecticut. LBI manufactures small different types of fiberglass products, a material that is not often seen anymore in today's manufacturing world. Some examples of fiberglass products that the company produces are fiberglass molds, tools, resins, and solvents. One worker at the company recalls that LBI is a very dynamic environment and that no 2 days are alike. With new customers and projects being created each day, there's always something new going on at LBI. Another worker had stated in an interview that it's a constant learning curve because it does not stay the same. You actually have new innovations, every month, every year that help with technology. LBI owns several types of machinery that play roles in manufacturing processes. Some of these machineries include water jets, wood cutters, and a welding machinery. Here are some interesting things that go on during the daily life of LBI. Here we are testing the movement for a custom-made carbon fiber crane for the Navy. Here we are repositioning a missile transport container made of fiberglass. Lastly, moving fiberglass molds the Navy will use to This is why manufacturing is cool.